Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Today, we are looking at this question. It says 1 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 4 raised to the power of y. Find the value of y. In this case, we are going to find the value of y. So, we have here solution. We divide our board into 2. So, we are given 1 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 4 raised to the power of y. So here we have all to the power of y. What we are going to do, we divide both sides by 4 raised to the power of y. So here will become 1 raised to the power of y all over 4 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y all over 4 raised to the power of y equals to 4 raised to the power of y all over 4 raised to the power of y. Here, this will cancel here 1, this will cancel here 1. So we are now left with 1 all over 4 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y all over 4 raised to the power of y equals to 1. Here, we recall that when we have a note, we have a raised to the power of x all over b raised to the power of x is the same thing as a all over b all raised to the power of x. So this one will become 1 all over 4 all raised to the power of y plus 2 all over 4 all raised to the power of y equals to 1. Here we have 1 all over 4 here. So 4 is the same thing as 2 times 2, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2. So we can substitute that into this place. So we have 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 2 all to the power of y plus this one, 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here 2. So we have 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of y equals to 1. Here we have 1. 1 is the same thing as 1 raised to the power of 2. So we can as well write here as 1 all over 1 raised to the power of 2 all over 2 raised to the power of 2 all to the power of y plus 1 all over 2 all to the power of y equals to 1. Here we made mention of, we recall, we say note, when we have a raised to the power of m all to the power of m is the same thing as a raised to the power of m all to the power of n. So this m, n, and m can interchange. So here is the same thing as where we have 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 2, then all to the power of y plus 1 all over 2 all to the power of y equals to 1. So as we said here, these 2 can go here and y can go here. So here will become 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y all to the power of 2 plus 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y equals to 1. So you can see we have 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y and 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y. So we say let 1 all over 2 raised to the power of y equals to x. So we are going to substitute the value of x into this expression. So it will become, so we clean this. So as we clean this, so here, when we substitute x into here, it will become x squared plus x equals to 1. This one can be transposed into this other side. So we have x squared plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Here we will use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. So here will be, recall that we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case, our a equals to 1 here. Then our b equals to 1. This is b. Then our c equals to minus 1. So our x here equals to b is 1, which is minus 1, plus or minus square root of b here is 1 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1 times minus 1, all over 2 times 1. So here will become x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus, this is 4 times 1 is minus 4, all over 2. So this will become, this is the same thing as x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 minus minus 4 is 5 all over 2. So we move over to this other side by cleaning here. So we clean here, move over to this other side. So as we said, we have x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. So this is what we have. Here, x has two values, positive and negative. So we take one after the other. So we have x equals to, this is going to be square root of 5 minus 1, then all over 2, or we have minus 1 minus square root of 5 all over 2. So that is the two value of x. We take the first positive one and we take the negative one. But in the positive side, this plus, this minus 1, we move over to this other side. As we have, it's the same thing as when we have x equals to minus 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. So in this case, we write square root of 5 first before we add minus 1. That's why we have this. So here, we can see that we have x square root of 5. For example, when we have square root of 4 is 2. So when we minus 1 from here, the whole of this is a positive sign. And if you have here, we have minus. Whatever you have here is minus. So this side, we have here as x here, which is positive, equals to the answer here, which is negative. And it is not acceptable. So this other side, the whole of this one is rejected because the answer is negative. We have negative answer. That's why it is rejected. So we are going to take on this other side where we have x equals to root 5 minus 1 all over 2. So in that case, we have x equals to root 5 minus 1 all over 2. But we recall that we had 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of y equals to x. And our value of x is this. So here will be 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of y equals to root 5 minus 1 all over 2. Here we can apply log to both sides for us to find the value of y. So this will become log 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of y equals to log root 5 minus 1 all over 2. So here will become, we recall when we have log a raised to the power of x is the same thing as x log a. So this one can move to this other side. Let's clean this. So we have, so by substituting this, so here will become y, because this y will move to this other side, log 1 all over 2 equals to log root 5 minus 1 all over 2. Here we can, for us to find the value of y, we divide all through by log 1 all over 2. So that will become, this is all over log 1 all over 2, and this is log 1 all over 2. This one will cancel here, and this one will cancel here. And now left with y equals to log root 5 minus 1 all over 2. Then all log 1 all over 2. So here we have the two log divided each other. So this one can be written as, we note when we have log a all over log b, we can rewrite it as log a base b. So expressing this in this form, or expressing this in this form, so our y will become log root 5 minus 1 all over 2 base 1 all over 2. So this is what we have. This is base 1 all over 2. So this is the value of our y from this expression. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.